Peekaboo to the good people. Is Dolly tired? You were having a big chat. Oh. That's right, you were singing. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You were just sort of singing in human, weren't you? Having a little song. It's really lovely, Dolly. Okay. Are you counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is there anything you'd like to tell the good people, Dolly? Like hello? Hello, good people? Pretty girl? Where's pretty girl? There's our pretty girl, Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I'm going to tell the good people you've been practicing flying. Yeah? Yes, I understand. It's a bit of a story to tell. You are a pretty girl. Hello, Dolly. Oh, you want to play peekaboo? I'll hide behind the phone. Peekaboo. Where am I? Huh? Peekaboo, Dolly. Kisses. Mwah. You say have a great week, good people. Hello, good people. Oh, maybe, oh look. Oh, good night, good people, maybe. It is late. How's about I cover you up and you can go to bed. Go sleepies. You're having a little birdie nap. Oh, that's so cute. Usually they sort of, a proper nap, she'll tuck a little head in under her wing. It's so cute watching little birds sleep. You have been busy though, Dolly, haven't you? Been talking and singing and talking and squawking. Alright, we'll say goodnight, good people. Sorry, Dolly. Shh, night, Dolly. Good night. See, she's even rocking a bit. She's rocking on there. Oh, little angel, isn't she?